Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ba Vincent Pala ula Kyntait halo ke Ïatreilang pedeng ke TMC bat ke seng Congress ban job ya ke election Lok Sabha ke Bangsawan ha ke jela. Uba Pala ula ong ba ke All India Congress Committee ke lakhot yu Presiden ke seng ha ke jela ha ke South Rik ukala lingkot banyakran halo ke jing penkre ya ke election nong ba Delhi. Uba Pala ula ong ba kamla ban long ba ke TMC ke Ïatreilang na Shillong parliamentary seat hadien ba ke ladon ke jing perkhat ba ke nong ilam bah kli du kidang kre banyesno bat ki weipat ki sengsan hima perthei.
I will not succumb to that ideas because TMC, as of now, after the election, the heads of the TMC in Meghalaya, there's lots of rumor that they may leave for BJP, they may go here and there. So TMC themselves have been disorganized. I don't know. They may reorganize also. Sometimes politics, you look that looks very down when the result was out. But after that, they may reorganize themselves. But as of today, I think I don't think they have that tendency to fight elections. I've met so many of them, be in Delhi, be in here. I don't think so in Selangor and even in Tripura. So